Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create company profile using AI on Canva. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on the Canva main homepage, and then from here you can see on the left side, if you subscribe to the model, then you can access Canva AI. Now in Canva AI, once you click on it, you can describe your idea and it will bring it to life. So for example, I want to create a logo and a profile for a brand new company that sells pens. Then from here, you're going to click on continue. Now from here, it's going to start generating new ideas. And so you can talk to it just like a normal agent or a normal human being. If you have ever used ChatGPT, then you will be familiar with that. And so once that's happening, it's going to start generating and designing new elements. And so from here, you can click on any of those new elements once it's finalizing the design. And as you can see, it's now creating your brand new profile. So this is going to be the logo. Now, once the logo is done and you choose on one, then you can use the Canva editor. And then from here, you can then directly edit that specific logo from here. And you can change the name, the logo, the profile, the colors, and everything that you would like around it. And so you can just simply continue to use the AI to continue editing on it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.